Hi, and welcome to this Monday.com tutorial from enable.services. In every Monday.com board, you can set the permissions to restrict users from being able to make unauthorized changes. To set these permissions, head to the top right of the board and click on the three dots to see Options, and then head to Board Permissions. You will see this pop up for board permissions. If you've created the board, or you've been set as a board owner, you'll be able to edit everything here. In View Permissions, set the board to view everything to allow members to see every item in the board, or to view items assigned to them in any people column to restrict the view for members to see only items where they have been assigned to the people column. This is great for managers looking for better focus by allowing members to see only the projects relevant to them. However, please be aware that this option is only available for Enterprise Plan subscribers. In Edit Permissions, you can allow members to do one of four options. Edit Everything, where they can make complete changes to boards. Edit Content, where data can be edited but restrict structural changes, such as adding or removing columns. Edit Content only assigned to them, where they can only edit the data in items where they've been assigned to a specified people column. And finally, Write Updates Only, where the member can only engage with the update section of an item. For team leaders that can make changes to anything, you can assign them as board owner. To do this, click on the Invite button at the top of the board, and in the Board Members box, find the person that you want to make a board owner and click on the crown to complete the process. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips in the future. And to see how we can optimize your Monday.com setup, check out our website at enable.services.